Hello everyone, and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix error 0xc000000f on your Windows computer. And now, let's get started. If you are encountering the 0xc0000f error on your Windows system, it typically indicates a problem with the boot configuration data, or BCD. One of the primary solutions is to rebuild your BCD. To do this, open the Windows search bar, type command prompt, and then select Run as Administrator. In the Administrator command prompt window, carefully type the command bootrec /rebuildbcd and press Enter. This process will scan for Windows installations and give you the option to add them to the boot list. Another effective troubleshooting step is to run a chkdsk scan. This utility helps to identify and fix file system errors on your hard drive. Open command prompt as an administrator again. Then, type the command chkdsk /f and press Enter. You may be prompted to schedule the scan for the next restart. If so, press Y and hit Enter to confirm. The scan will run when your computer restarts. While the above steps can often resolve the issue, in some cases, a faulty hard drive might be the underlying cause. Before considering a hard drive replacement, it is highly recommended to try resetting your PC. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Navigate to the System tab on the left-hand side list. In the right pane, locate and click on Recovery. Within the recovery options, select Reset PC. You will then be presented with choices. Opt for Remove Everything for a clean slate. Finally, you can choose Cloud Download to ensure you get the latest Windows version during the reset. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.